Hello students, today's topic is radius of nth orbit. What must be the radius of electron when it is revolving in nth orbit? So, we know that when electron revolve around the nucleus with some speed Vn and in the radius Rn. R suffix n means it is the radius of nth orbit and V suffix n means it is the speed of nth orbit. Now, what is the Bohr's quantization principle? Bohr quantization principle says that m Vn Rn must be equal to nh upon 2 pi. We assign it as a equation number 1, right. Now, what is the electrostatic force which is acting towards the center always, and that is equal to k z e square upon r n square, and it is balanced by the centripetal force that is equal to m v n square upon r n, m v square by r, right. Now, equate these two forces, so we can say that m v n square by r n must be equal to k z e square by r n square. Now, r n will be cancelled out from there and we can calculate the value of V n from the first equation. What is the value of V n? V n is equal to nh upon 2 pi m r n. That is the value of V n, and we put this value in equation number 2. So, that is equal to m V n square means nh upon 2 pi m r n whole square, that is equal to k z e square upon r n square upon r n upon r n, right. Now, we calculate this value. So, that is equal to m n square h square upon 4 pi square m square r n square, that is equal to k. We can put the value of k. What is the value of k? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into z e square upon r n. Again r n will be cancelled out from both sides. Now, what is the value of r n? R n will be equal to, this r n goes in that side and all quantities in that side. So, that is equal to 1 m will be cancelled out. So, h square upon 4 pi square m into 4 pi epsilon naught upon z e square into n square into n square, right. Now, 4 pi will be cancelled out from this quantity. So, that is equal to epsilon naught h square upon pi m e square into n square by z. This is the value of r n, right. So, this is the value of r n. Now, we put the values. What is the value of epsilon naught? Epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to power minus 12 Coulomb square Newton per meter square, and what is the value of h? That is equal to 6.62 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule into second, and what is the value of pi is constant value, that is equal to 3.14, and mass m is mass of electron, that is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilogram, and E is charge on electron, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Now, you see these all quantities are constant quantities. So, when we put the value of these all in that formula, then it come out as Rn is equal to 0.529 into n square by Z angstrom. Now, Z is the atomic number for any quantity, for any atom, and for hydrogen atom, for hydrogen Z is equal to 1. So, radius of nth orbit is 0.529 n square angstrom. And if we talk about the first orbit, then n is equal to 1, second orbit n is equal to 2. So, if we calculate the ratio of radius of different orbits, then it will come out as 1 raised to 4 raised to 9 and so on, right.